So we are going to import that tree folder to the assets of our project. Just wait a little bit. So let's just expand that and search for the tree. That is the tree. Go for the source model and that is the tree, and go for the material and use the legacy. Just apply, and tree is created and the materials are here. They are white, but we do not need these. We are going to understand that first of all our tree is very big, but we are going to do same thing as we done with the builder. Just go for scale factor, just go for the 0.2 and just apply. Let's see, it's now too small. It's good for our use, and now you can use it. It is actually a big actually. Now we're going to use it a little bit more smaller than its own size. Let's just go for 0.1. Apply. Now it's good. Yeah, let's just change the color of the let's see which is that. What is that? That is the thing. That is the bulb. Let's just make it a little bit darker, like that. A circle and a little bit more darker. Let's make it. That is, these are the branches. Make it greenish, and just make it branch 1 also make it a little bit greenish, like that. Branch 3 make it a little bit purple type. We are going to using it as a purple, and here is the bark. We are going to use it a little bit darker, like that. And one thing is still remaining. Don't know what is that. So that is our tree is just assigned. And just check how it's looking to play the game. Now you can see our tree is here. Let's just go far away from the tree. Now you can see tree is look at it properly.